And the first thing I want to know is, how does the client think about his or her body? Often we have a client who can't tolerate their body. They're disgusted by it, ashamed of it. One of my clients said, I just want to get out of my skin. My skin holds me in something that feels intolerable. This is where my suffering is. So, according to how a client thinks about his or her body, it's going to be very hard if someone hates their body to really start right off the bat helping them think about what's happening in my body. They don't want to know what's happening. And so this is one of the things that is the first thing to assess in terms of pulling the body in to understand the client is, can the client tolerate questions about what's happening in the body?